Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. So excited. I love spilling my drink. Love Valentine's Day. It's so pretty. I'm gonna have a little cocktail. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put this away and let's talk about what we're gonna be cooking today. I will be making cannolis because it is Valentine's Day and I wanna make a special treat. But I already have the shells made, which I will link in the description below from a previous recipe I made where I Twixified them. They were so good. But today we're gonna Valentine these little babies. They're gonna be so good with roses and raspberries. We're gonna infuse that in that cream. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. So let's get to those ingredients. Cannoli shells, white chocolate, mascarpone and ricotta cheese, vanilla extract, mini chocolate chips, raspberries and rose petals, sugar, pink food coloring, and Valentine candy decorations. Okay, so grab a pot and add 1/4 cup of water and add 1 cup of sugar. You want to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, you want to grab 2 to 3 of your favorite roses and make sure that they have a very nice strong floral scent. Make sure to keep stirring. You do not want the sugar to burn. All right, now go ahead and throw in a decent handful amount of raspberries and you're gonna muddle them in with the rose petals. Go ahead and keep your temperature at about a mid-simmer. You don't want it to overboil, and then you can squeeze in a half of a lemon. This will bring the flavors together. So once your syrup is nice and thick, grab a strainer and you're going to push through all that beautiful syrup and make sure to get out all of the raspberry skins and the flower petals. Okay, so this looks really good. It's nice and thick, syrupy, but what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put it in the fridge. We're gonna let it cool. It'll get a little bit thicker. And meanwhile, I'm going to show you how to make that delicious cream filling. Yay! First, I'll be adding 3/4 of a pound of mascarpone cheese, a half a pound of ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now go ahead and grab your mixer and blend it together well. Then we'll be adding our beautiful raspberry syrup, 1 tablespoon at a time. And here we go, 6. So that makes 6 tablespoons. You never want to add it all at once because you just want to make sure you're getting it blended perfectly. It's so good. All right, and now for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our chocolate chips. And to make it look really, really pink, I'm gonna throw in, some food dye, some pink dye. So why don't you come a little closer and look. All right, so throw in a half a cup of your mini chocolate chips and then go ahead and stir that together and then add your food color until you get the color pink that you like. Okay, so that looks really cute, pretty and pink. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit and chill for a while because being that it's cheese, it will start to liquefy if you leave it out for too long. So I'm gonna start working on those shells while this sits in the fridge. Okay, so now this is the fun part. So like I said, I already made shells earlier, just to save a little time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip these. I'm going to melt some white chocolate because it's going to look so pretty with the pink filling. We're going to dip them, and then the cute part is go ahead and grab your favorite little Valentine sprinkles. I've just got some pink and red and white with some pearls. I've got some little heart confettis. So after you've dipped your shell in the chocolate while it's still wet, go ahead and sit it on some parchment paper and then sprinkle it and decorate it. So that way when it dries, it'll look all beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start melting the chocolate now. right, just make sure to give that shell a full cover of that white chocolate, and then you're gonna set it aside and then roll it in your candy. Okay, so just about done. I'm working on the last one right now. Then you're gonna wanna put these in the fridge to cool just because you want the shell to be nice and hard before you start putting all that filling in. Don't these look so cute? They're so Valentine-y. Love it. Okay, so these look so cute. Got my little cream filling now. Go ahead and grab a piping bag, stuff it, and then we're gonna fill these guys up. Go ahead and add the filling on one side and then flip it over and finish on the other. Okay, so these turned out so good. I'm very happy with them. They're so pretty and pink and all colorful with all the cute little candies. I hope you guys try these out. They're fun for a little party. Oh, those are so good. You can really taste the raspberry and the roses and the cream. It's perfect. It's delicious. I think you guys are going to like these ones. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to check the description below. I'm going to have that link to show you how to make these shells. Also, head over to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can check out the Jen and Gina show. If you guys make these, take pictures. I would love to hear all about it. Don't forget to check out my next video. See you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay. Just click the button right here. See you guys soon.